folks, we're back for another exciting episode of examining the creativity process, make money, and get on with shit.
Okay, so you put your pencil on the paper, and then you draw your hand across the paper. Boom! And you go there, right beside it, draw, right, and then there, and then you could go up here, shadow one side, as they say. Kind of looks like there's a shadow. You can almost make it look round. Do a bit of that happen, that action happening. That kind of looks round. It looks like a vase, right? And put a flower. Pretend there's a flower there. You can now call yourself an artist.